What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update, guys. It's pretty much raining out here today, so got a few decent cars here, man. Let's check them right out, man. Let's get right into it. Alrighty, guys, first up on the list here, we got a 04 BMW 325i with 163,000 miles on the dash here, guys. From my first glance, it does look, pretty fair. The body is intact, to say the least. We do got a missing little turning signal there. Probably close that little gas tank. All around body looks good. Now, since it's raining, we're going to be able to see what some of these cars are really like, how are they holding up, because some of them windows are broken and everything. But this one has light gray interior leather. It is pretty whooped and dirty in here, guys. Super whooped and dirty. Me personally, I think I'm gonna pass on. Ooh, snaps. Dang, soaked my socks, man. That's crazy. But yeah, 163,000 miles, guys. Pretty whooped in the inside. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. And we're gonna keep this one pretty quick, guys, because it is, like, as you see, it's really cold and it's like raining out here. So we're only gonna do the cars that actually like look like something. So moving along here, we'll come back to the 750. Next up, we got a freaking 2008 Honda Civic here, 138,000 miles on the dash, guys. Actually looks pretty fair. However, it does have a little whoopage in the back. We'll get to that in a hot sec. If we take a look at the inside, we do got this cloth gray interior. Back seats all right. Inside is pretty dirty. Doesn't seem like this thing's been driven in a very long time. Got a little tequila kick in the back there. Nothing crazy though. The mileage on this thing seems pretty fair. You can probably open the hood on this thing and see what it actually looks like under this joint. 138,000 miles. What you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below, man. And this one is a salvage title, so keep that in mind. Alrighty, guys, next up we got a 2013 Ford C-Max. Never heard of that before. A Ford C-Max, guys. 187,000 miles. Wow, they've been pushing this thing to the limit. 187,000 miles. It is a hybrid. This window is broken out, but they have a cover over it. If we take a look at the inside, it's super whooped, guys. You can just see by that door over there. Super whooped. This thing has definitely been through it, guys. Although you got that door panel in the back, it's still pretty high in mileage, but it does look pretty decent and fair, to say the least. A C-Max, guys. I've never seen one of these before or even heard of it. You guys know anything about the C-Maxes, let me know. This one's pretty much at its wrap though. It's 187,000 miles. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, next up we got a 2012 Volkswagen Passat here, 185,000 miles. Golly, they've been pushing this thing. I thought the Ford was a clunker, man. They've been pushing this thing right here to the limit. 185,000 miles, guys. The body looks great. Oh man, interior black leather does look good in here. Does look pretty good. Nothing at all that looks like standing out or nothing like that. And this might have been a rental once upon a time. It does have the premium fuel sticker, if you guys see right there. 185,000 miles. I guess on a Volkswagen, that's pretty incredible. You do have a little whammy back here. May affect the trunk. Yep, nope, doesn't affect the trunk. Trunk closes and everything lines up there. So if you can get this thing at a pretty cheap price, man, I think you'll be able to work with something. We can probably look under this thing really quick and just see what it is. What's up with it? I don't know how to get that thing open. It's not really like the others, but you guys see it. What do you guys think about it? 95,000 miles on this 2012 Volkswagen Passat. Alrighty guys, now to keep it real with you, this is probably what I'm going to be shooting for today. We have a 2011 Mercedes C300 here. Looks really good. Only has 98,000 miles on the dash, guys. This is definitely what I'm trying to purchase today. Hopefully we'll be able to win it for a nice, decent, cheap price. And it's raining out here, so that's always a plus for the auction goers. Inside is flawless, has nice leather black interior. Looks really good in here, guys. 98,000 miles on the clock. Really good looking car. Hopefully we'll be able to grab it today. If not, it's plenty more auctions. Got a little slight whammage there, nothing crazy though. Yeah, I think this will be a really good one to bid on. What you guys think about the bids? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty guys, next up we got a 2016 Dodge Dart here. 160,000 miles on the clock. We do got a broken window here, so I'm sure that one's pretty much flooded out. 160,000 miles on the Dodge Dart. You may have a little bit room to go on here. However, this parking little thing shows me that it might not work. I'm not really sure, but it does have glass broken all everywhere, so you'll have to be careful if you're buying this thing. 160,000 miles. I mean, it does look pretty fair. You got a wheel in the back. Who really knows why that parking sticker was on there? Somebody look at all this freaking, it's a flood. Yeah, that's going right in my socks. But all around, guys, I mean, I guess it looks pretty fair. You're gonna need a new window here. No dents on the body. No battery in here. It might start, it might not, who really knows? But yeah, you got the front wheel in the back, so that's a plus too. What you guys think about the Dodge Dart? 160,000 miles, man. Let me know in the comments below. And we'll just keep this thing flowing. I know you guys don't care about most of the stuff in here, but this is a pretty cool car too. It's a 2007 Hyundai Azera, 95,000 miles. Dude got a little tequila kick here. This axle may be bent up or something under there. We take a look at the inside. We do got this leather black interior, which is cool. Does look pretty fair in here. Can be cleaned up pretty nicely. Only has 95,000 miles on it. And we seen one of these go at the auction last week for like $700. A lot cleaner though too. A little bit more miles, but it was a lot cleaner. So you just get an idea what this one's gonna go for. Moving along, we got a little Honda, 195,000 miles, 2004. Looks pretty whooped in there. Righty. We got a Toyota, we got a Nissan Sentra here, guys. A 2013 Nissan Sentra here. This thing is pretty whooped. Pretty whooped in here. How can you open this? Pretty wood, but the motor and everything in here looks intact. So it really doesn't look like a bad fix, honestly. You might just need some fenders, bumper, maybe a new door. A fender for this side as well. The lights look like they might be intact still. Might be able to, yeah, no, that light is pretty gone. Is there any airbags in the inside? I mean, the inside looks pretty good. However, you do got an airbag out there. So me personally, I'm gonna pass. But hey man, if you want the project, this might be worth it for you. It's gonna go cheap today here, so we'll see. Got another little 94 Honda here. Yeah, guys, we're not looking at none of the junk today. Only looking at stuff that we're gonna actually bid on. Because today we're actually gonna bid on some nice cars. And hopefully we can get a nice, good one out the bunch. It's pretty decent. Probably like 5 rides up here. That looked pretty fair. 208K on this Cadillac CTS. Seems pretty legit. Fortunately, it's not the CTS-V, but seems pretty cool. 200,000 miles. I don't know what you think about it. Yeah, that thing is a no-go. Axle broke on this Kia. I don't know which axle is broke, but the inside of that thing looks, I guess, pretty fair. Unknown mileage. I'm not stepping in that puddle to get me more freaking wet socks. Moving along. Couple more vans and trucks over here. Got a little Fiat. Motor is bad on this thing, maybe. Damn. Wow. That's crazy. They took everything out this thing, stripped everything. I guess all the parts and stuff are right there. But even still, who wants to deal with all that? Who wants to deal with all that? Do not move this vehicle. Immobilization notice. I don't know if you guys know anything about this immobilization notice. Let me know about it in the comments below. I have no clue what that means, but it's a pretty new, I guess, Ford 500. Pretty new. So I don't know what you guys think about it. We got this Ford like F-250. Whoa! I was about to step in that huge crater of a puddle, guys. Puddle. But yeah. This thing is freaking stripped down to a TT. Wow. Yeah, that thing is super stripped. Even the back of it is gone. What does this say? It's unattended or illegally stored vehicle. Yeah, so I mean, you might be able to throw a bed on this thing, but however, I don't know, guys. I'm not really a big mechanic like this. This seems like a really huge job. But then again, not really. But then again, yeah, it does. What you guys think about the Ford, man? Let me know in the comments below. Hands is freezing out here, dog. Hands is freezing. We got a 2008 BMW 750i. Unknown mileage. These things are usually not reliable at all. I would never buy one of these. But I'll just show you guys really quick. Have that tan, like peanut butter interior. I'm sure it'll go pretty cheap here today. Not even sure if it runs or not, but it is the 750 Li. I don't know. Not really a big fan of the 750, so I'll let you be the guest. I'll let you choose it. Alrighty, guys. So we actually got this this Ford truck, this big Ford truck up here at the auction today. It does run, and everything in this thing looks intact. Yeah, you can definitely load a motorcycle up there. Should I get this to tow the motorcycle, man, or what? Let me know what y'all think about it. But yeah, we'll just end this off on this lineup out here, man. Just show you what else they got. And some of these cars run, some of them don't, man. But none of these are my flavor. You guys already seen what my flavor was. But yeah, if you just now yeah, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Got some pretty dope stuff coming here. We're trying to find another auction car this week. Hopefully we'll be able to find one or find something. Got a little Range Rover here. Bad starter on the range. Please do not tell I am disabled. And so is this vehicle. I will get it out of here on Saturday. I guess Saturday came and they didn't get it out of there. Yeah, who really knows what's wrong with the little Land Rover, Range Rover? Who really knows? But yeah, they got some, I mean, I guess some pretty fair stuff in here. Oh, look at this car. Anybody know what kind of car this is? I don't know. I don't even see emblem or what does this say? Oh, it's a Jaguar. Wow. This is a really, really old Jaguar. Wow, look at the interior. Super whooped. This thing is whooped. I feel like it might have been a body or something inside this car at one point. This thing is whooped, guy. Tires is whooped. But yeah, it's not really much else. So as always, guys, be easy out there, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.